So welcome to my channel. Well, getting ready to check into the Conrad here in Manila, Philippines. This kind of goes right up to the main drop-off point. That sign right here. And it says here, 5-star hotel. So a little bit of look in the front, and I get ready to head up to the lobby. As soon as you come through security, you go through a little metal detector. This is where you arrive at, but the lobby is actually one more floor up, so very nice. Everybody's very helpful and friendly and kind.
Please press the button for the desired floor.
So once you come up to the third floor lobby, this is the actual check-in place. So it's kind of divided up a little bit. Before I show you the view, I'm going to give you a good look here of the room. We got this nice grand piano. Looks like there's a restaurant over there, but look at this. You see Manila Bay out there. Go take a look outside. This is right next to the Mall of Asia. Okay, just got my room keys. The room is all ready, so let's go up and check this room out. What you get as soon as you arrive. And we got a nice pool view and also a view of Manila Bay. Shower out here, one of the best. Oh yeah, gotta love those ceiling showers.
Automatically open, and then if you're going to close it, just press down button.
Okay.
And you have here the in-room dining menu. By the way, our in-room dining menu is open 24/7. So if you're craving something, we have here the complimentary bottled water as well as the free use of Nespresso machine. Once you consumed everything,
yep.
The housekeeping will be replenishing it for you. And here's the corresponding price list for the items inside the minibar.
Okay.
And some Filipino delicacy in here, sir.
Awesome.
And if you're planning to store some of your valuable item, we have here the safety deposit box, which is located in here. We have here the instructions of how to use it, as well as the iron and ironing board. We also have the hair dryer inside as well, ma'am. And if you don't want us to be disturbed, we have here the do not disturb button, which is located in this one. Just have to press this one, and then the doorbell will be automatically disabled, sir. And if you want the housekeeping to replenish or refresh your room, you may press this button, the makeup room.
Take a little walk this way, show you around a little bit. This is really an incredible hotel. check out the pool area here. A little bit rainy today, and this is what it looks like when you arrive at the pool. Nice little bar setup here. Got these nice little sun beds you can relax in. Check out the fitness center. Pretty nice so far. It's a good time to do this because nobody is here yet. Nice machines. Weight bench, good supply of weights. This is a very well-equipped gym. Of course, pull-up bar, love doing pull-ups. And then you come around and you got all the treadmills, and you got a little workout floor over there. Now I just came from the pool, so get a nice pool view. Show you the backside. Elliptical. Got a rowing machine there, spinner. One thing is really important to me is having a good gym. Now I can do everything I want with what I carry, but I do like a nice, well-equipped gym if possible. Doesn't always work out that way, but this one, well. And you have a nice little floor right here, so you can do aerobics on. There. Perfect floor, aerobics. Nice mirror. This is one of the best hotel gyms I've been to.
Take a break and that's it. Solid pleasure.
So you got a nice little locker right here. Really nice.
Lockers, our towels, shower capabilities.
Look at these showers. Wow. So nice. Beautiful.
This way to our steam and sauna. So right now our steam is under maintenance, but the sauna
Yep.
is working. So right now it's under 60 degrees Celsius. So every 3 hours it's resetting. So
Okay.
its temperature set is 80 degrees Celsius.
80 degrees, okay.
So right now it's 60. So every
60.
3 hours it's resetting because if it's become 2.
Oh yeah, yeah. I love saunas. Then you get a nice shower once again. These showers are the best.
The water, if you need to hydrate, drink.
Plenty of all types of water dispensers.
Sink and toilet, urinals.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So if
Look
you're
how
coming-
clean everything is.
So if you're coming from the swimming pool, we do have the dryer here.
Got the dryer. Nice.
James dryer.
So here's some more other little areas just outside the gym there. That is a nice shower room, sauna. Really very, very nice. So this is the Conrad Spa. Oh yes, ma'am. I'd appreciate it. This is when you first arrive inside the spa. Very nice and very friendly greeting. This right here. So nice. Got that peaceful, serene feeling as soon as you arrive. Kind of like calms you yourself a little bit. Nice place to hang out. So we're gonna go take a look at the actual spa itself.
This is our treatment room for a couple.
Okay. Oh, nice. Wow, look at the view. It's so beautiful. This is. That's a nice hot tub right there. Wow. Another view of the Manila Bay there. Come around, we got another really nice. And look at this nice hot tub right here. So nice. Things called the Roosevelt rooms. Those are for like group check-ins. I'm actually going to be winding back to the lobby area.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Everybody's so friendly here. Afternoon, sir. Now we're coming back out to the lobby. Very well organized hotel. They have all these little restaurants around here. And there's the pool. So we'll swing it around in here. Another nice little area to hang out and wait. So the Conrad actually connects to the Mall of Asia. There's like a little water right here. Let's go to the Mall of Asia. Mall of Asia this way? Okay, thanks, man. So it goes right here. So it actually, how convenient is that? Now this is just right inside my hotel area. So as you can see, this Conrad Hotel is a pretty incredible place. Being right next to the Mall of Asia, and then you have this area right inside the hotel grounds.